Welcome back, guys, to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to change the charging port of a phone, precisely this particular type of phone, although it applies to all small phones too. So first of all, you have to prepare the charging port you are about to change, and to prepare it you are going to do exactly as I'm doing. This is how to do it like a pro. You are going to do it this way. Add LEDs to the legs of the charging port, and then you will also require your hand blower. Okay, before that, as you can see, I am scraping the surface of the charging port so that I can solder it. I can add lead to it rather, so that it will have a very good contact with the surface of the board. So as you can see, that is what I'm doing. But in doing it, you make sure that no one leg will touch another leg. No one leg touches another leg. Take note, no one leg will touch another leg. So that is it. So that is what I'm doing. So this is what you're expected to do. So watch out as I now go over to the next step, that is in pulling out the old charging port so as to replace it with a new one. Okay, now I've successfully pulled out the old one. As you can see, the next step now is to add LEDs to the point where this new one is gonna stay. So that is what I'm doing now. Just add little LED to it so that it can contact well with the surfaces of the new one. And also I'm adding at the back, as you can see. Then another thing is that those 5 legs, 5 tiny legs, they should make sure they are smooth enough, make sure they are neat, so that none of them will contact. I'm making sure of that. If anyone contacts, then there may be problem. So make sure of that. So the next step now is to put in the new charging port. I'm also going to require heat because I'm going to heat it up first, heat up the surface first before I put the new one, before the new one will be able to stick to those points. So watch out as I'm going to do it. Okay, now it has entered, so I'm holding it so that it will stay firmly to it. It will stick there so that they will contact well, so that there will be no hitches. You see it? You see how neat they are? So that is how your own should be. You should be clean. Those 5 legs should be clean for it to work out. So this is how to change the charging port. And after having done this, if the phone's panel is okay, just plug in your charger and test. It should begin charging. This is how to change the charging port of this phone like a pro. So if you like the video, make sure you subscribe.